Okay, Mom, you can just drop me off over here.
I'm gonna go ahead and park.
Well, why? No one else's parents are here.
Well, because I wanted to walk in with you. I care more than other parents do, sweetheart. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, wait, Dylan, look, there's a big sign right here. Let's take a picture. It's just real quick. It'll be real quick. Okay? Just stand right there. Okay, one more picture, like you're holding the letters. Just put your hand out like that. Okay, ready? Spirit.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mission. Welcome to English 4th, it's going to be a great year. So today we're basically just going to be going over the agenda, the syllabus, getting to know each other a little bit.
Hey, is that your mom? Oh my God, yeah?
We're going to be going over the agenda, the syllabus, getting to know each other a little bit.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, can I help you with something?
Yeah, hi. Can I talk to the kid in the second row? The one with the nice hair?
Sure.
Oh, thank you. Ladies, he's single.
I'm sorry. Can I go talk to my mom outside for a second?
Sure.
Thank you.
Dylan.
Mom, I told you, I'm fine.
Okay, but you.
Mom, I'm a senior in high school. I should be treated like I'm older. I'm not a baby anymore.
Okay, but you left your lunch, honey, and it sat in the car and it got hot. So I came to give you your money for lunch. Okay?
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, honey. Is that your mom?
Oh my God, Mom!